Ki khubor ka Batesi TV. Ka umdi basnyambak penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Ka National Institute of Fashion Technology haka kalai trek uluber aja penrio kalapun kutno ya ka craft bazaar lani kayo tamasa baladi kitiar balasna tang dakikti haka ni kayo tamasa ki samra pulie ka National Institute of Fashion Technology kilapan pa pertairu ya ki sab su penwandor ya ki riam ya ka balajer teng kum ka heritage walk ka managing director jangka Meghalaya Handloom and Handicrafts Development Corporation Limited kakong Daphi Ralen Kharjana kabala longkum kakong san hakini kesngi kelasam ya kisernat syaki beriau ki badan benta banshna ya kitiar kitar dakikti.
Displayed here reflects not only skill and dedication, but also the rich cultural heritage that our crafts represent. I would like to sincerely appreciate the teamwork of NIFT in making this craft bazaar a meaningful platform. By bringing together traditional artisans and design institutions, we create opportunities for innovations, learning and sustainable growth for the craft sector. My heartfelt congratulations goes to all the artisans who have participated and shared their beautiful creations with us.
Chitwan has organized this program. We have witnessed beautiful handcrafted products, also the creativity and the dedication and the cultural heritage that our artisans bring to their work. Events like this craft bazaar remind us that handicraft are much more than objects. They are living traditions that connect communities, skill, and generations. I can see the incredible craftsmanship and display, and I feel deeply inspired. At the same time, I also realize something. Appreciating handicraft is easy, but actually making them requires a level of skill and patience that many of us may not have. It is truly wonderful to see such a vibrant platform where artisans, students and community come together to celebrate craft. I would like to congratulate the entire team of the National Institute of Fashion Technology Shillong for organizing such a meaningful program, bringing together artisans, students and the community through an initiative like the Craft Bazaar. Programs like this Craft Bazaar reminds us that our handicrafts are not just objects, they are stories, traditions, and identities. Behind every handmade product, there are hours of patience and years of experience. Being the managing director of the Meghalaya Handloom and Handicraft Corporation Limited, I have had the chance to visit many rural areas and we have assisted them with skill development programs and market linkages, which have uplifted our artisans and weavers. I recently remembered visiting one village where I have witnessed them crafting handicraft work, and when I asked them, how did you learn such intricate work? They said, Madam, we have had this from the past, and I learned it from my father. So this simple answer, it tells me something very powerful. That handicrafts are not only about products, they are also about heritage passed from one generation to another. In a beautiful state like Meghalaya, we are blessed with natural abundance like bamboo, cane, and wood. Our artisans transform these natural materials into products that are not only useful but also environmentally friendly. Today, the world is talking about sustainability and eco-friendly living. But if we look closely, our artisans have been practicing these ideas for generations, long before these became global trends. In fact, Meghalaya has taken important steps to recognize to celebrate its cultural heritage by identifying several villages as art and craft villages, each known for the unique traditional skill. For instance, Waken is renowned for its traditional musical instrumental craft, Mairang for painting and sculpture, Ladnai for its distinctive clay pottery. In Garo Hills, we have Amin Nagri, which is recognized for woodcraft. Tangmang is known for cane and bamboo craftsmanship. These villages represent the diversity of artistic traditions in the state and remind us that craft are deeply rooted in the identity and cultural life of our communities.
Had a long day, feeling drained? Let Hello Meghalaya lift your mood. Right there on your phone. Movies, music, infotainment, live streams, all in one place. Content you can enjoy together, laugh together, learn together, right at home with your family. Easy to access, easy to download. Register in just a few simple steps. So why wait? Download Hello Meghalaya now.
Oh, for once I'm ready before her. Chale! Gorgeous. Let's go!
Coming. How much you honk, yeah?
Come on, we should leave.
Chill. It's just family.
Exactly. और घर वाले ही late.
By the way, how am I looking?
Very late.
Streamers, caps, candles, a cake, definitely balloons. सब आ गया. Wait a minute. Where is everyone? Show off.
Hey bro, how's it going?
एक बात बता, सबसे फास्ट होकर भी हमेशा लेट कैसे?
Style bro, style.
Hello guys, where's the birthday boy?
यहीं कहीं होगा, अपने फीचर्स को रील्स पे शो ऑफ करता हुआ.
इतना बिगाड़ा जो है. Automatic gearbox, ventilated seats, sunroof.
क्यों ना हो? फैमिली का सबसे यंगेस्ट भी तो है. Let's go guys, party time.
Skoda.